Gloria be styling, why your haters wildin'? She be out here grinding, everything comes in timing. Click that button, subscribe, yeah. Catch this nice little vibe, yeah. Beautiful and blessed, she shine.
Why I always clap? What's up, guys? Welcome back to my channel. It's your girl, and you already know I'm back with another video. And if you didn't know, they meant Gloria B, but maybe not. So anyways, first of all, let me just say, I know my nail is broke. Y'all probably can't see it in the video, but it is broke because I don't know why it broke. But anyway, it ain't gonna get fixed until I find the time and I feel like it. But anyway, so today I am doing a different type of video. Today I'm gonna give you guys, you know what I'm saying, I'm gonna put y'all on about Dollar Tree if you don't really shop at Dollar Tree, you know. And the thing about it, I ain't just no cheap person. So, but I do go to Dollar Tree, but I might get little stuff like if the store closed and I need some soap, I might go, or I need some toothpaste and the store closed, I might go get it from Dollar Tree or whatever. But honestly and truly, Dollar Tree has some good stuff. Once I actually just took the time to look around, and I ended up getting 2 bags worth of stuff. Like, they really have some good stuff. And I can't wait to share with you guys some of the goodies that I got. So let's just get into the video. So anyway, so I'm doing this stuff randomly. I don't know what order it's in, but anyway. So the first thing is this right here. This is a shower travel kit. And I actually really bought this when I went in labor with my son, and I had to pack my hospital bag. I actually bought this, and it comes with a lot of stuff. It comes with the little toothbrush case thing, this little thing right here. You can put like lip gloss or something, or Carmex, or like, you know, I forgot what I put in here, but I put some in there. It got a little bath thing, y'all know, the little fluffy thing you wash yourself with, and it comes with 2 bottles like this. And I actually used this. It really came in handy when I went in labor. I think I put like witch hazel in one, and then I put something else in the other one, and I put my toothbrush in there and stuff like that. So you don't have to go and get the expensive like little kits from Walmart or something like that. You can go to Dollar Tree, because I mean, you ain't gonna be using this forever unless you travel a lot. But it's really nice. Like, it's a really nice kit, and it really did come in handy. Yeah. So next I got these wig caps. I didn't know that Dollar Tree is slick, the beauty supply store. Like, okay, but yeah, they had some wig caps there, and I really don't wear black wig caps all the time. Like, they would come in handy in case I just really need one quick, you know what I'm saying? And I hope it don't tear though. So okay, Dollar Tree, I see you. Okay, next I have this right here, and this is just a microfiber hair wrap, and this will really come in handy because sometimes when you go to the shower or you go take a bath, you forget your bunny. And so I'm gonna end up putting this in my kit that I take with me to go to the bathroom. I mean, to go take a shower. I could put this in here as like my little emergency, you know, hair wrap, or just for extra protection in case I got a fly style or fly wig on, and I don't want no heat to get on it to ruin my baby hairs or anything like that. I could put this on, like, period. Okay, next I have this right here. This is just some Dial soap. I don't know if people go in Dollar Tree often, but they have soap. This actually isn't the soap I use. I think I use the whichever one is purple. But anyway, so I just picked this one up, and it smells really good. 2 bars of soap for $1. Like, this is like my emergency soap right here. This is the soap when I run out, and I didn't know I was running out. Might as well, you know what I'm saying? Okay, so next we got some Suave shampoo and conditioner. Now y'all know this don't be no dollar everywhere else. In them other stores, they will drain you of your money with Suave. But this Suave right here though, it was $1. And you know, really, honestly, truly, I would use this to wash my bundles, like wash my bundles out and stuff like that. I would use this. I don't know how well it would do on my real hair. If I was to buy this from the beauty supply store, I would be like, yeah, I'm gonna wash my hair with it. But because I bought it from Dollar Tree, I'm like, I don't know if it will wash my hair in it. Like, I believe it'll do fine. But I got me some Suave, you know what I'm saying? I re-upped, you know, period. So next, I got these feminine cleansing wipes. I don't know why y'all can't even see this stuff. Do I need to screw back? Like, I don't know why it's doing it. But anyway, I got these feminine cleansing wipes. Now, I have not used these before, so I can't really just tell you about that. But I mean, they got on the package compared to Summer's Eve cloth. And as far as I'm concerned, Summer's Eve is like the queen of women products. And my thing is, if you know, are in a dollar store compared to Summer's Eve, which is everywhere, you know, talk your stuff in. Like, so I got them, and I'm gonna compare, and I'm gonna let you know what it is or what it ain't. But these are just some cloths, some feminine cleansing cloths, and you know, y'all know what we need these for. So yeah. Then next I got these collagen cleansing cloths. Now I legit do buy these though. When it comes to wiping off my makeup and stuff like that, I legit buy this same pink package. Like, I buy these for real, and they work pretty well for me. They don't dry out or nothing, and it gets my makeup off. I actually can use one of these compared to buying the expensive cloths and having to use multiple ones. So period. Then I got this, which is some coconut oil, and I legit have this. That I bought it from a I actually bought it from a beauty supply store. Come on now, I know I got it. Oh, here it is right here. See, and I done used it. Like, I done used most of it, but yeah, I just want to see. Hold on. Hello. Yes, baby.
You don't need nothing to have to.
No, baby, I'm good.
You don't need no nothing like that.
No, babe, I'm good.
Alright. You don't need no more water, nothing like that.
No, I wouldn't got some.
Oh, you should.
I am positive.
I need to get back to your video.
Okay, baby, I'll see you in a little bit.
Alright.
Alright. Get you somebody that makes sure you straight even when you straight. Anyway, where was I at? Okay, so this coconut oil. Like I said, I already got that one, but I actually bought that from a beauty supply store, and it was way more expensive than this one for $1. Now, I don't know how true it is, but I mean, it says contains natural oils and, you know, for moisturizing your hair, scalp, and body. And I actually take mine and mix it with other products and stuff like that. So now I won't have to go to the beauty supply store and buy it. I can go straight to Dollar Tree. Appreciate that. So next are razors, and I know what y'all finna say.
Who buy dollar razors?
I do. What's up? I buy dollar razors. Not real talk, I do buy dollar razors. I don't know what it is, but y'all know them other razors. Y'all know the big expensive ones, like y'all can change the head on them and stuff. You know what I'm saying? The one they be on the commercial doing the little zigzag with the lines and all that. I don't buy those. I don't know what it is about those. Anytime I use anything other than these, I cut myself every time. See, the thing about me, I like to shave lazily. I don't like to have to be careful when I shave. So with these, I am able to, you know what I'm saying, go back and forth like a lawnmower. I ain't gotta pick it up and be careful. I can just, you know, shave comfortably. I really legit didn't know Dollar Tree had these. I think I be seeing the little pink ones, but I get mine from Walmart. So I got 2 razors for $1. But no, I appreciate that. I appreciate it. So next I have this, and I know y'all like, what? Now you just reaching. But this is a facial brush, and y'all already know I got the battery powered one, the one you can actually like go over your face with. But I feel like this one would be good too, like, you know, just for a slight face wash, you know what I'm saying? Like sometimes my face do get really sensitive to where I can't even use the powered one. So I think I would be able to use this one and be okay. They feel okay, nothing fancy, you know what I'm saying? But if you just want a facial brush collection, you can add this to it, I guess. I don't know. Who knows? Whatever. So next, I got me some good old Carmex. Not because you can't buy this Carmex anywhere else for $1, but because I really needed some. And if you're watching my video right now and your lips feel like paper, I want to just introduce you to something that could change your life. You don't have to watch my video with dry lips. Go to Dollar Tree. Buy you some Carmex. Don't say I didn't love you. Next, I got me some flip-flops, y'all. I'm finna be stepping this summer period. They gonna be hating on me, you know what I'm saying? These too cute. Got me some flip. They done gave me some swag up in there. Okay, no, real talk, no. But I ain't knocking nobody. If you wear Dollar Tree sandals, more power to you. But I use these sandals to get in the shower. Legit, I buy Dollar Tree sandals because I hate a lot of times getting in the shower and get my feet and then walking out the shower over to my towel. I don't like that. So, and then like if I go, you know, go for my birthday to a hotel or something like that, like I want some sandals. Like I need something to cover my feet. These are really cheap, you know what I'm saying? Just something to get in the shower, and they're not slippery. Sometimes them sandals be slippery, but I like just like a little protection on my feet. And for $1 to be getting a possible foot fungus or foot infection, I'll take it. I'll take it. Okay, next I have this right here, and this is a eyeglass bag. And really I just thought about this would be neat for when I wear shades in the summer and I take them off and want to put them in my bag. I don't want to scratch them up, so I can just put them in this little eyeglass bag. Next I got, stop now. Next I got cocoa butter cleansing wipes. So they're just like the pink bag, the ones in the pink that I showed you, but these are just cleansing wipes. These are the cocoa butter ones. So, you know, one time for the melanin, that's all I needed. This is Diaper disposable bags. So if you have a kid, you know how those diapers can stink. And I have a diaper pail, but sometimes the smell might seep through the diaper pail. I don't know why, because the purpose of having it is so it doesn't stink, but whatever. So I'll use these to put the diaper in here first and then put it in the diaper pail. Or if I'm out for the day and he poops or something and I need to put his pamper in the garbage, I can put it in this so nobody else's home will smell like it. So I like these, and it's $75 in the box. So for $1, for 75 bags, I'll take it. Next I have this ice cream. I'm just playing. This is body polish, coconut oil, and sea salt. So now I don't know about this. Oh my gosh, are you kidding me? Somebody had to use this. Y'all, look how much is in here. Look. You mean tell me in this whole container this is how much is in here? I am appalled. There's not even a lot, y'all. So you ain't even supposed to be in my video, and I ain't gonna throw you because you might waste. So anyways, I got me some daily liners, always thin, ladies, y'all know, and it comes with 20. So yeah. Next I got these. We all know we need some of these, what is these called, elastics, and I have a lot of them, but I lose a lot of them, so I decided to just get some more. I ain't gotta go to Dollar Tree. I mean, I don't have to go to the beauty supply store and buy those big expensive ones, or go to Walmart and buy those big expensive ones. I can just go to Dollar Tree. You know, if they tear, I just buy some more. So yeah. Is this the last thing? So this is the last thing. This is a mirror. But now this mirror is special. This mirror is divine because it actually has suction cups on the back, period. So, you know, if we got to put on our eyelashes and we don't want to sit there and hold the mirror, we can set the mirror down and be hands free. So, you know, I believe this will come in handy. I don't know when, but it's nice to just have it. So yeah. Is that it? Yeah, so I think that's it. Let me focus this. I think that's it. That was in all, that was $22.47, but take off $1 because one of those is just cookies. So yeah. So really I spent $21 and got a whole lot of goodies that I have to pick up. I don't know where some of them even went. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed the video. I hope I put y'all on a little bit, you know what I'm saying. So yeah, that was it. That's just stuff, you know, if you need some quick stuff from Dollar Tree, you know what I'm saying, you don't know where to go and find it because it's not in the regular place, it's out at the store you usually go to or whatever. I'm just glad to let y'all know about some of the things that I use and some of the things that you possibly use that you could possibly get for less money at the end of the day. So yeah, if you like this video, make sure that you like the video. Yeah, if you like it, period. And make sure you comment and make sure you share this video, put other folks on game too. I'm glad that you watched my video. Thank you for watching my video. Thank you for 150 plus subscribers. I appreciate it. I came from the bottom, now I'm still at the bottom, but it don't matter, whatever. I'll see you guys in my next video. Y'all be blessed and peace.
I'm rocking with Gloria B. Show me what I need to see. Tell me who I need to be. Show me the God that's in me. I'm rocking with Gloria B. Show me what I need to see.